Every once in a while on this channel, I get my hands on products that are so high quality, they completely stand out from anything else that I've reviewed in the past. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, the company really leaves a mark on me. And the things that I have in this box today are things that I know I'm going to have on my personal desk for the rest of my life, or at least as long as these products last, which from their build and their craftsmanship, I'm sure it's gonna be a while. What's up everybody, welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan, and if you're new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Now, let's get right to it. The things that I have in this box are desk organizational products. I have a pen, I have a mouse pad, I have an organizational tray, and I have a little solid wood organizational cup. And these all come from a company named Grovemade. It's a company that was founded in 2009. They're based in Oregon from the research that I've done. And they are known for creating extremely well thought out and well made, well crafted products. They've done a lot of different things over the year. Right now, their website looks like they're selling a lot of these desk organizational products, and these are made from real wood, solid metal, fine materials that are not what you're going to be finding in a Staples or an Office Max. And as someone who works as a student on my desk, as someone who creates YouTube videos at a desk, I have a desk here, I have a desk in the other room, they can become a disaster very quick. And I'm not someone that shies away from the finer things in life. I like leather, I like nice metal pens. You've seen me review EDC metal pens, everyday carry if you don't know what EDC is. EDC pens on this channel. I like things that are quality and that last a long time. And what's in this box definitely fits that requirement. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you the things that they sent me. Hopefully get some close-up shots so you can see these. Let you know my thoughts about them, whether or not they're worth the price tag, and whether or not you should pick some up for yourself. Now, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. I'd love if you become a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. If you've interacted with Grovemade before, bought any of their products, or if there's something you want to see them possibly make in the future, and I'd love to have you a subscriber. It really helps out the channel. But let's take a look at what's in this box. Like I mentioned before, US company based in Oregon. They've been doing this over 10 years now, and all of these products are made by artisans, by craftsmen in their shop. You can see videos on their website of them doing it. It's Grovemade. And so I got 4 things in this box. There's another thing coming in the mail, which you'll see in the future. These are things, after browsing their catalog, these are things that I think are really going to make a difference on my desk. What's nice about them is they have a lot of different materials you can choose from, all high quality, but whatever fits your personal style, they've probably got something that fits it, okay? So opening this box up, I have not unpacked all the products yet. I just took the tape off so I could open this. The first thing that I saw when I cracked this open is this right here. And this has got their logo on it, it's got their name, and when you peel this open, there is a handwritten card in here from whoever packed this box or made these products. I'm not sure, but their slogan is "Made the Hard Way," right? That's always a good sign. If a company is doing something that's not a production line, that's not outsourced or cheap, I like to see that, okay? I don't get a lot of that on this channel. I mean, let's be honest, it's a lot of cheap tech products, but I appreciate quality. A handwritten card, like a detail right off the bat that stands out to me about this company. And then once we put this off to the side, there is, again, extremely well wrapped. We've got this nice brown paper here. It's got their stamp on here, "Made the Hard Way" since 2009, established 2009. Says Grovemade right here. But this is not plastic wrap. This was not stamped out by a factory. I'm pretty sure someone put whatever was in here by hand and closed it up, okay? So this, I think, is my mouse pad. Let's start with this. I'm gonna set this box off to the side. All right. Okay, and let's open this up. I ordered 4 things, like I mentioned. The first of them is going to be this mouse pad, because right now, I'm ashamed to say I don't even have a mouse pad. And as someone who works at a desk a lot, I should probably own a nice mouse pad, okay? And I kind of got bougie on this. I went for the nicest one I could. This is a full leather mouse pad, and I chose the smallest size. I really don't need a giant one. I'm not gaming. I don't need like a lot of mouse space. Just doing schoolwork, editing videos, and I mean, look at this thing. This is beautiful. I'm a sucker for tan leather. This is full grain leather. It's vegetable tanned, I believe is what they said, and it's on a cork backing. okay? It's got a little bit of thickness there to give you a little bit of sponge as you're pushing on it. This feels phenomenal. I don't know if you've never felt real leather, you need to get on that. But cork backing, setting that on my table, not sliding around, and it looks beautiful. Now, I want to give you a little bit of dimensions on this. That's important. So this is the small size. They have a large as well, but the small is 7.5 by 9 inches. Like I said, all these products, you can like go on their website and watch this being made. Like, how cool is that? They have a bigger size. They also have one with like a built-in pen rest as well, or a stylus, whatever you use it for. And so I like this a lot. It feels nice, and it's gonna look great on my desk. The next thing in the box is a little organizational tray. And I chose the light version. I like the tan. I wanted to do the light colored cork, okay? Let me pull off, again, all of this wrapped in this nice brown paper. It's got their sticker on it. I mean, this is not like the cheap mass-produced stuff I mostly get on this channel. This stuff is, it's different. So let's pull off this cardboard. All right, and this is the Cork desk or drawer organizer. Really, you can use it for whatever. It's got aluminum on the sides, and this is machined from a solid piece of cork right here. You've got a few different compartments, bigger, medium, small, and then you've got some rests here for pens or pencils. This is 50-52 aluminum. If you're someone that's into metal, maybe you know what that means, but it feels solid. It's very smooth, no machining marks. It just looks quality. It's got a heft to it. There's nothing lightweight about this. This feels extremely solid. It also has a piece of cork on the bottom. I imagine to keep it on your desk. If it was just metal, probably would slide around. Fantastic looking piece of desk organization. Now, this is measurement wise 1 inch tall, 12 inches wide, and 8.5 inches deep this direction. Okay, so we've got our mouse pad, full leather. We've got an aluminum and cork desk organizer. You're kind of getting the theme for these products, how they're made, and the quality of them. So let's take a look at what else is in this box. This is like Christmas. So many awesome things. Okay. So this little guy right here, again, wrapped in brown paper. It's got the sticker with their logo on it. This is a solid walnut dish, okay? It seems like innocuous, like what is this little thing? Everyone has pins, paper clips, random little doohickeys on your desk that you need to keep from just sliding around in your drawers, right? This is the solution for that. This is, like I said, solid walnut. It's 2.75 inches in each direction and a little over 1 inch tall. And this is American black walnut. And I mean, it's just beautiful. It's gonna match something else that's coming out of this box in just a moment. But I mean, it's nothing too exciting. I can't say a lot about this. Again, it's got cork on the bottom to keep it sliding around, but everyone needs little things like this. Keep your stuff organized. So we've got a tray here to keep larger things organized. This, throw your paper clips, push pins, whatever. All right, so we've taken a look at the all leather mouse pad and at the solid cork tray with the aluminum finish and at the solid walnut organizing tray. But now it's time for the thing that has got me most excited from this package. I am someone who likes pens, all right? If you've seen on this channel, I've looked at a few EDC, everyday carry supplies, a couple pens like the Parker Jotter, the Zebra F701, I love them, right? But they're nothing crazy. You can order them on Amazon. This pen is very different. It costs about 10 times as much, and it is really a statement piece. And this is going to be a product that I know I'm going to own for the rest of my life. No contest. I know that this is going to stick with me forever. And you're going to say to me, Jordan, why is this pen so special? Well, let me show it to you real quick. I chose to get the pen with the stand right here and a couple refills, but this is the Grovemade all titanium pen. Okay, this is machined from a single piece of titanium, and titanium is almost as light as aluminum. It's harder than steel. It's super corrosion resistant, and I never thought I'd own a pen made out of a piece of it. This is beautiful. The design on this is so well thought out. It's the perfect width to fit in your hand. It's a little bit thicker than some of the other pens I've used, and it gives it a little more substance along with the weight. I mean, we'll talk about it in a moment, but it just feels substantial. It's got 3 facets along the edges which keep it from rolling off of your desk, and it has a really satisfying twist button up here at the top, right? And you can see that ink come out there at the bottom when you twist it. This uses really high quality Schmidt P8126 rollerball inserts. It's a 0.6 millimeter, which is perfect for me. I like 0.5, 0.6 is right there the same, so it's nice and fine tipped, and I've written with it. I'm going to show you a little writing demo in a bit. It writes beautifully. I've had no issues with the ink gumming up or stopping. I haven't to shake the pen. I mean, for this price, I would expect not. I'm sure they put a lot of thought into choosing the insert for this pen. So again, that's the Schmidt P8126. The pen itself is gorgeous. It feels amazing. It's got the little, let me show it to you. It's got TI engraved at the very top. I may have to overlay a shot of that, but that's the elemental symbol for titanium, right? Little details like that are great. You can see the machining marks on the facets. It really is a beautiful piece. It's got the Grovemade logo up on the top. And I ordered it, like I said, in this kit with this stand. And this stand is something else. The stand is stainless steel with maple inside, and it is so heavy. Like, I cannot state to you how heavy this is. For the size, you pick that up and you're like, oh my gosh. And what's really cool is you can you obviously store your pen in this. You can keep it on your desk. I don't know if this is a pen I would keep in a pocket like of my, my white coat when I'm at med school. This is a pen that's going to stay at home. And you can use the pen. You can, like, if you don't want to retract the ink, if you just want to set it down momentarily, you can keep the ink all the way out of the pen, right? You can keep it twisted, put it in there, and it'll still go all the way into the base and keep it secure. So the pen tip is still out, and then you can retract it like that. It sits perfectly straight up and down in the stand. The stand is beautiful. I mean, I'm putting fingerprints on it now, but it's heavy and well made. It's got the cork bottom again, so it doesn't roll away. And then they include 3 ink refills in there, and I'm sure you can order more on their site, or maybe directly from Schmidt, I'm not sure. But let's talk about the pen itself. I'm going to give you a little writing demo, but let's talk about the weight. Like I said, it feels substantial. The pen comes in, well, first of all, the jotter that I really love, the Parker jotter, it comes in at 15 grams. And the Zebra F701, which I also like, comes in at 21 grams. This comes in at 34 grams, so it is a heavy pen. Not so heavy that it's fatiguing to write with. It feels really good in the hand, very natural, but it definitely has some substance to this. If you handed this to someone, they would notice it. It's not a pen that you can forget. This is easily my favorite part of this package, and like I mentioned, this is going to be something that I'm going to keep for a very long time, if not the rest of my life. I mean, you could hand this down to like your children someday. It's that nice. It's definitely, like I said, a statement piece. It's something that really stands out as a quality, well-made product. So this is my first little shipment from Grovemade, and I have to say, if you can't tell by how glowing I've been in this review, the products are phenomenal. So if you can't tell, I'm really digging these Grovemade desk organizational products. These are far and away the most high quality things that have ever come across my review desk. They're well made, they look beautiful, you can tell that a lot of thought went into the design, and I can't wait to have these on my desk every day. Like, it makes me excited to go sit down and like write or use my mouse pad. As weird as that sounds, it's cool to have quality products like this. So Grovemade, you can go check out their site. They have tons of other stuff, different materials, different products that I don't have on the channel yet, hopefully in the future, but I can wholeheartedly endorse these things as being of the utmost quality. They are amazing to talk to. You can see they wrote me like a handwritten note. I have nothing but good things to say about them. So if you want to check them out for yourself, I'm going to include a link down below in the description. You can go to their website, see if there's anything that stands out to you. If you've had experience with Grovemade products in the past, let me know down in the comments. And as always, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Please hit the notification bell, leave your thoughts below, like the video. It helps the channel grow so I can keep bringing you awesome content. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.